magnet fishing. You're doing that so you don't accidentally lose it. Throw her good, dear.
Alright, first ever cast.
I'm taping you. Our first time. Whee!
Oh, not very good throw.
It's alright, let it go down. Wonder how long it takes it to hit the bottom.
Yeah, that's why I didn't go very far.
Oh, you got a huge knot.
The neatly tied rope.
Try again. Bring her back in, I guess. That'd be my Birkin.
Nothing but a little muscle.
A little muscle?
Yeah.
That's a better cast.
Rope untangled.
I thought it would have fed open.
I was hoping that.
Where's Russell at? Oh. It's because he can't see me, right? That's what his problem is. He always barks if he can't see me. Alright, bring it in.
I think I'm going to need a stronger magnet.
You think so?
This one seems pretty weak.
Are they expensive?
No, this one wasn't.
So maybe you should get a bigger one, yeah. Maybe get like a 5-pounder or something.
Oh, we got something.
Oh, we got something. What did we get? Bring her in closer so I can see it.
Oh, it looks like a bolt.
Oh, yeah. A bolt.
Oh, we got some stuff
Oh,
here.
what did we get?
My goodness.
What in the heck is that?
So that is...
A spike?
Yeah, railroad spike.
Is your sure railroad not like one of these?
I'm not sure.
Oh, wow. That is cool. Oh, what else did we find?
We found a bobby pin and a bunch of screws.
Oh, yeah. No, there's a nail here.
Is that a nail?
Look at it. It's flat.
Oh, that's cool. That's an older nail.
This is an old nail, yeah. That is really cool. What is that? Is it a coat hanger?
It's a good enough magnet.
You having trouble getting it off of there?
I don't know what that is. That could be coat. It's steel.
Yeah, but look, it's coated like green, so that makes me think it's a coat hanger. Part of a coat hanger. But it's I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a little bit paint's wearing off. That is cool.
Looks like some kind of
Looks almost like a hook.
a hook. Well, not a hook, but I'm thinking. I don't know. I don't know what it is.
That's cool.
A bottle cap.
Looks like a
Rusted out. Can't tell
Yeah.
what it is right yet. Oh, broken nut and bolt.
I thought that was a hooker. A hooker. Hooker. It was a
Could be a
sinker. I thought it was a
never know.
spike.
If we find a hooker,
I thought it was a. Yeah.
We're gonna have to
Here, we'll
report
put this stuff in there too. And then we can go through it all after, eh?
that. Small nails. Another square nail.
That's cool. Holy cow, what is that?
I don't know.
That,
That looks like a
railing for something?
For patio door, maybe.
Alright, so this is what I found during my cast. What do you think it is?
I think it's a bolt.
Oh, hang on a second. There we go.
Looks like there's tiny little threading near the bottom. It's just a bolt, modern bolt. It's rounded head,
Alright.
manufactured.
Still treasure.
Probably out of something like this.
Oh, you got
A leaf.
a leaf. A leaf stuck to it? What is that? Is that part of a bike?
That is part of a bicycle, I think.
That looks like part of a bike.
That's an old bike.
Okay,
I think. That'd be a kid's bike. What did I find here?
Oh, you found something?
Found something. Another wire hanger.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
And it looks like another broken bolt.
Oh yeah, for the break walls or the bridge, because they keep repairing our bridges. That is cool. Some weight to that one, eh?
Yeah, there's some weight to this one. Pulling up really slowly.
Inch by inch, eh?
We found a horseshoe.
Seriously? Oh my gosh, a horseshoe. That is awesome.
That is our best find.
And
so
you know
far.
what? I bet you,
shit,
I can guarantee these are for the horseshoe.
Yeah, horse nails.
Those are...
That is a cool find.
Let me see it. That is awesome. And that is heavy. Russell, be quiet.
Okay, isn't it?
Oh, it's beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
Absolutely, man.
Did you end up at Wambo yet?
No, not yet.
No, it's pretty busy.
Is it?
Oh yeah, and it's a lot hotter out there than it is over here. Just so many people.
Hey, wait a minute though. Wait a minute though. What happened?
About an hour ago.
A treasure chest. Did we
But we can split it.
The magnet's strong enough for that. I think it's only weighted for like...
Yeah, we got like a horseshoe. We've gotten spikes. We've gotten
That's cool.
old stuff here.
We were cruising on by and we thought, what are they fishing for?
Oh, we got quite a bit of stuff.
Oh, crazy.
And just take it to a scrapyard.
You know what? I'm going to use your brake wall here to get more comfortable in my...
Can you untie? Do you want to tie that from the chair, or
Oh no.
It's-
no? You want me to leave it? Okay,
just
go
leave
It's
as far as you can.
kind of tied to the chair already,
Yeah.
sort of. Yeah, this keeps it keeps tangling
A piece of a 1950s bike.
or something. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty neat stuff we found so far.
Yeah, that is really neat.
It's the first time doing it. I really enjoy it. Get some clean water. Well, kind of clean water. Our stupid rope.
Yeah, anything
Here,
that
try to
sparkles is good.
help untangle that if you can.
No, that's okay. I got it.
You guys got a nice little spot here.
It's not too bad here.
It's my dad's backyard, so.
Oh, good for you. Nice way to blow off a Saturday afternoon, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. If my dog would stop barking. Stupid rope, man. They're supposed to come. They're supposed to come unknotted, aren't they?
I don't know it myself. It's just every time.
Every time you throw it, it knots back up. I wonder if it's the type of rope we're using.
Maybe next time we'll get some paracord. There's a nice hawk up there.
Where?
Above the trees.
Oh, he's way over there. I can't see that hardly.
Yeah.
Oh, you're way out there now, man. Looking for the big fish. You know what? You got halfway through. If you got another magnet, I'll tie it off and drop it.
That's the only one we got.
We weren't sure if it was gonna work. But
Yeah, anyway.
that's awesome. That's way farther than we can throw.
Yeah, it's farther than I can throw.
Have a nice day, you guys.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you. I'm not sure. It has some weight to it.
It's a pirate chest. That'd be awesome. Not likely, but that'd be cool if we found someone's like a safe or something like down there. Could you even get that down there?
You could, not with this magnet.
No. What in the heck is that?
Another horseshoe.
That's a half horseshoe. Wow. You got something?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
It's another horseshoe.
Oh, you got the nail with it too. Is that what nail attached to it?
I don't know.
Take her off. Let's see. I think that nail might be attached to it. No, it just came with it. That is awesome. Sweet.
Oh, it's a nail. That's a screw.
Another screw. That's okay. Not everyone's a perfect find.
It's heavy.
Ooh, what is it? Let's see. What in the heck is that? That is railing for either the bridge or this thing. Whatever that is.
It's solid.
That looks heavy. What in the heck? That's still treasure.
And another horseshoe.
Ooh, yes. That one's in good shape.
It's in good shape. There's a screw on top of it.
That's a better shape than the other ones we had.
Wow, there's a lot of horseshoes out there.
Awesome. That's just what I was hoping for. Another horseshoe.
Oh, and lo and behold.
Another horseshoe. That one looks smaller.
That's a smaller horseshoe.
Another horseshoe, and what is that? Is that, oh, it's somebody's garden thing.
Garden thing.
It's like a little fencing. And a beautiful horseshoe. And what else is that? What else is that? Just like a little nut.
Piece of a nut or something.
Another one. Well, we got, that looks like a wire hanger because of that.
Let's say more gardening stuff.
Yeah.
Some square nails.
A lot of gardening stuff. All right, well, we'll take that and put that in the bucket.
Okay, so this is our spoils from the last couple days. Lots and lots of horseshoes. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 complete ones.
They're all different sizes, too.
Five complete ones and a few miscellaneous. That looks like an old nail or something. Something off a bicycle. Axle off a bicycle. Looks like a piece of a fender off a kid's bike, possibly from the 1950s. Some strapping. Just all sorts of goodies. So all this from one tiny little magnet. Grabs it pretty good. So please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Topic for this week's video would be, what's your best find magnet fishing? Or do you even magnet fish? Let us know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. Sandy,
That's freaking heavy.
Crystal got something good, maybe.
Maybe. It's trying to. It keeps losing, too. Come on, baby. Come on. It's heavy. Oh.
Oh, you found another.
Oh, take it, quick.
Iron.
Grab it.
Oh, jeez, that's like a.
Oh.
Wow.
That's friggin' heavy. Jeez, I'll grab it if you can take that. Oh, man, what do we do with that?
I don't know. We might have to break that one up.
Jeez.
That won't fit in the car.
What is that for?
That's just a big old pipe.
Pretty me. I'm surprised that magnet can grab that.
Yeah, you know what?